All right, guys, this is Gearhead Peter here. My new front suspension and brakes. I'm using Porterfield racing brake pads, APD 34 R4-S. I have a new dimpled and slotted rotor and a new caliper. And the question I'm having is, with new pads put in and everything else, is it supposed to be making this kind of noise? Let me know what you think. Thank you.